Hey there guys, today I'm going to show you how we use Microsoft 365 to collaborate on documents with our teams in real time. First things first, I open up a document that I need to work on. I can see my colleagues making edits to the document in real time, which is super helpful because we can work together without even being in the same room. If I need to make changes to a document, I can just start typing away and my colleagues will see the changes instantly. I can even leave comments for my team to respond to. Another cool feature is the ability to track changes. If I make a change to the document and my colleague doesn't like it or has a better idea, they can just reject the change and leave a comment explaining why. This makes collaboration so much easier and much more efficient. Plus, I can even access my documents from anywhere, even on my phone or my tablet. I don't have to worry about being tied to my desktop computer to get work done. Live document editing makes collaboration a breeze. I can work with my team in real time, leave comments, track changes, and access my documents from anywhere. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend you give it a go.